Hey traders, welcome to the pre-market analysis. Let us see how to take the trade for Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow and what are the stocks to trade for tomorrow. What are the logic behind our analysis? Let's start with Nifty 50. It is in 15 minutes time frame. So today the market opened at the price range of 15,808 and made a low of 15,764 and formed a bullish candle over the support region and made a high of 15,876. The market closed on the price range of 15,845. So totally the market Nifty 50 moved 36 points higher from the opening price. So how do we take the trade for tomorrow? So nearby our resistance area, it has formed a bearish engulfing and the market made a consolidation over this area. So for tomorrow we could take a trade when the market opens flat or opens little gap down around the price range of 15,845 to 840 and closes with a bearish candle. You would keep that candle's highest stop loss and go for a selling, and your first target might be 15,770 will be your first target, and second target will be 15,700. So this is for on the selling side. If the market opens with a huge gap down, wait for some price action, or if the market opens for a huge gap up, wait for a price action. We could only go for a buy whenever the market closes above the 15,900 levels, so that we will be considering the resistance as a support and we will be go further for a buy momentum. Until then we will be looking for selling momentum. So if the market opens gap up or moves across above the 15,800 level, above resistance level, we will be waiting for the price action. So once the market crossed and sustained above our resistance level, we will be trading on the next trading sessions by keeping this resistance as a support for the upcoming trading sessions on Nifty 50. So for tomorrow, if the market opens flat around 15,842, 15,820 and forms a bearish candle on 5 minutes or 15 minutes time frame candle, you would keep that candle's highest stop loss and go for the target of 15,770, and the second target will be 15,720 to 700. So this is for Nifty 50. Let's look at Nifty Bank, and this is also nearby the resistance area. We could see that lot of time the market has got rejected from this resistance zone. So once the market crosses, if the market opens flat tomorrow and crosses below today's low, which is today's low is actually closing price of 35,600. Actually the market today opened with the price range of 35,585 and made a high of 35,803 and made a low of 35,436, closed around the price range of 35,643. The market opened and closed with the higher price above the open price. So we could see that here it has formed a kind of tweezers top. So tweezer top is a bearish reversal candle, and now the market is inside the resistance zone. Whenever the market opens tomorrow flat and closes with a bearish candle and crosses below the low, which is around 35,600, we could go for a selling, and our target might be around 35,400 will be our target on the selling side. So here also, like Nifty 50, we have kind of rejections over here. We could see that in 30 minutes time frame, we could see a lot of time the market got rejected on this price zone around 35,750 to 7,800. So the candle crossing above this will be considering as a bullish momentum. So once the market sustains above this level, this resistance level will be considered as a support for the future trading sessions, and our next target will be around 36,350 for upcoming future on the bullish side. So the Bank Nifty is in upper trend line till now. So for tomorrow we could go for a selling only when the market closes, a candle closes below our today's low of 35,600, and our target will be 35,400. Let us look at the stocks for trading tomorrow. First stock is ACL Tech. Yesterday the market, we discussed about ACL stock. It formed a double bottom pattern, so we will be giving a breakout, and we mentioned the targets of 978 and 988. Yeah, so all the targets is today. Now it is nearby the resistance area. So once we could see that the market has consolidated over this area, if the market opens flat or little gap down and closes below the 984 price level, we could go for a selling, and our first target will be 978 and our second target will be 968 on the selling side. We could only go for a buy if the market opens flat or little gap up and gives a very strong bullish candle. We could keep that candle as low as stop loss and go for a buying side, and our next target will be 996 and 1000 on the buying side. Next stock is Infosys. So Infosys is also nearby the resistance area. We could see that the market has resisted over this region, which is around the price range of 1586 to 1585. So this is considered as a resistance zone in Infosys. So the market is already nearby it. So when the market tomorrow closes below the price range of 15,073, sorry, 1573, we could go for a sell, and our target might be 1558 on the selling side. Next stock is BPCL. So BPCL is already traveling in a downtrend for a longer time. We could see that the market is traveling on the downtrend for a longer time. So here the next support for the BPCL is nearby 440 to 441.50. This will be considered a support level for the BPCL for the upcoming trading sessions. So there is a higher probability of market will be reaching the support level. It may take 1 or 2 to 3 trading sessions to reach, or it may take one day itself. It depends. You could hold the BPCL for a selling opportunity until the trend line breaks on the above side. We no need to go for a buy opportunity. Next one is Hindustan Unilever. So Hindustan Unilever is near with the support area now, and it is in downtrend. If a market opens flat tomorrow and closes with a bullish candle, keep the candle's lower stop loss and go for the target of 2430 and second target of 2444. Yeah, this will be as a second target on the buying side for Hindustan Unilever. If the market opens flat and closes with a bearish candle and crosses below today's low, which is 2410, so candle closing below 2410, 2407, keeping that candle's highest stop loss, we will be going for selling, and our target might be 2390 on the selling side. So this is all about the pre-market analysis for tomorrow's market. Hope you have enjoyed the video. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a happy trading tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, so it's an expiry day. Those who are trading the options, trade with a minimum quantity. That will be a safer for trading in options. Thank you.